This is Google VEO 3. This is also Google VEO 3, a new AI that makes videos so realistic that even experts get fooled. But it's not accessible to everyone, unless you pay a lot. So today, we're going to try to get this AI for free, and we're going to try to recreate its videos with other AI tools. Hello everyone, welcome back to the new host. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me to keep going. If you have any questions or comments, you can write it down in the video. I also have a free weekly AI newsletter available for those of you who are passionate about AI, info, tips, and new tools. So sign up, it's free, the link is in the description.
First, let's talk about what VEO 3 actually is. It's the latest AI video model from Google DeepMind, capable of generating super realistic videos up to 8 seconds from a simple text prompt. But here's the twist. It now includes sound, ambient audio, voices, even music or sound effects. The interface is clean and minimalist, a prompt box, a generate button, and a preview window. The results are pretty amazing if you can get access. And that's the tricky part, because it's still region locked and limited to certain users. So here's the first method I tried, using a student account email to sign up. I went to this link, minamarketing.com/VEO3 signup. It redirects you to Google's VEO 3 access page. Unfortunately, it didn't work for me. The interface was blocked in my region. But no worries. That's where a VPN comes in handy. To unlock the page, I used a free VPN Chrome extension, like VPN Google Chrome extension. Now, if you don't have a student email, here's a simple trick. Go to a site like TempMail. Some tools let you generate temporary inboxes or simulate .edu style addresses. It's not guaranteed to work every time, but it's worth trying. From there, then it asked me for a credit card, even for the free plan. You can use yours, but be extremely careful and cancel the free trial before the date written. But no stress if you don't want to use yours. You can try to use a virtual credit card generator to bypass this step. Quick and easy. Once I got access, I tested VEO 3 with a fun prompt. A dog running in the forest. The result? Honestly, super impressive. The video had smooth animation, great lighting, and even sound, like background traffic and engine noise. If VEO 3 doesn't work for you, here's a great alternative. Imagine Art. It generates high-quality images from text prompts, kind of like Midjourney, but free and faster. It's not video, but it's perfect for storyboarding, visual content, or testing ideas. Another lesser-known tool, Whiskey Lab. It's still in beta, but already lets you generate images, animated clips with AI. You can sign up for free and try it out. Works great for TikToks, Reels, or AI-powered content experiments.